Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn to paint watercolor galaxies with some shooting stars. First, we will wet the paper. Now we will take neon pink. If you don't have a neon pink, you can simply take crimson red. Now we will use some water to dilute the color and simply dab it on our paper. This is the wet and wet effect. So in the wet on wet effect, basically the paper has water on it and your brush has water and paint. We will now take blue color, of course dilute it with water, and repeat the process of simply dabbing it on the paper. At all times remember that your paper is wet and there is enough water in your paintbrush, because this is the only way, the wet on wet effect, to paint a beautiful galaxy. Now we will use Prussian blue to give the depth effect to the galaxy. Now if you see closely, wet on wet gives a beautiful texture to your painting. Now let's take some white and sprinkle it all over our painting to create stars. Take a white crayon and simply dab it on your paper. Take a earbud and smudge it. Take your jelly roll pen and highlight a simple dot inside it. This way you create twinkling stars. Now for a shooting star, take your jelly roll pen, make a dot and pull a stroke. Once done, hair dry your entire painting and carefully peel off the masking tape. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed painting your own galaxy. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for more notifications.